It's raining. We love the rain. But I think we're gonna go home drenched from rain. Kasi yung dinadala namin is jeep na walang takip. Ito lang siya. Ito. So para kaming later. Basang sisiw. Basa. Sana lang tumila later. Yung pauwi na kami. Pero sa ngayon, medyo siya. Medyo malakas onte. So, ayun. Mark is inside the lumber store. We just been to his doctor's appointment. Then stopped by getting his meds at the supermarket. I think that's just it. Then homebound after. Yun lang. Sana titila ang ulan. Maya unti. But right now, I'm in the middle seat. Nasa middle seat ako. Kasi basang-basa na yung ko dito. So, ayun lang guys. I don't know. The rain isn't joking anymore. And there are thunders too. I hope there won't be lightning. That would be scary. I like the rain, but I don't like this. Like, we're driving a jeep and it's open. Ay nako. Ay nako talaga. Nababasa na yung ko. Yung paa. Parang naaabot ako ng ng ulan. Ay. But, thunder. I hope there won't be lightning because that would be dangerous. Uso pa naman yung mga sunog-sunog dito. Kasi sobrang dry. We've been waiting for this rain. But I don't like it when we're driving a jeep. Kasi mababasa kami. Si Mark andun pa sa loob. Nako na lang talaga. Di man lang kami pinauwi bago umulan. Maganda sana yung kung nakauwi na kami bago umulan. Maginaw pa naman sa ulan tapos open air siya. Na. Ambot na lang jud. Diuwan jud na ani.